All
right, we're going to go and see if we can help Brittany some more. Let's come over to the board. Go over to the board. So, Brittany's got her list, and she knows what she wants to get, and she's kind of been looking at various ads and flyers, and she's been online. But what happened is one of the items she saw, she's noticed it was at two different locations, two different stores in the mall. So what she decided is she wanted to figure out what's the best deal. Brittany sees some wireless headphones on sale at two different stores. How can she tell which one is the better deal? Store one, the wireless headphones have a regular price of $49.99, and it's on sale for 50% off. And she has an additional coupons, one of those coupons Greg was talking about, for 10% off that she can use. At another store, the same wireless headphones had a regular price of $52.50 and a little bit more expensive, but it's on sale for 60% off. You got to be careful how you read those too. So let's see if we can figure out which one is the better deal. All right. She's got this, the regular price is $49.99. It's on sale for 50% off. Let's do that part first. So what we're going to do is, okay, here 50% off. So the first thing we're going to do is take 50% off $49.99. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull up our little calculator. What we want to do to figure out 50% off, there's a couple of ways we can do it. We can do it like Craig was doing before, but I'm going to change this 50% to a decimal, and I'm going to multiply it by the $49.99. Now, the result that I will get will be half or 50%. I could do that, or I could take $49.99 and I can divide it by, or I should say multiply it by half. Either way, I'm going to get the same thing. That's going to give me 50% off the $49.99. Now, you probably already know what that is. We don't really need a calculator for that, do we? What's half of 49? We know half of 50 is $25. But here's one of the things that you're going to notice with this, in the store. If you go $49.99 and you multiply that by 50%, oops, 49 point, I'm going to get $24.99.5. I actually get $24.99 and a half. But you don't, stores don't deal in half a cents. So I'm going to roll that back in. That's going to make this price really $25. So now she's got this thing that the initial price is $50. It was $50, now it's $25. And what she's got to do for the second part of this is she's got to take 10% off. Well, I could multiply $25 times 10%. And anytime you multiply it by 10%, it's like just moving the decimal one place over. So that 10% is $2.50. That's how much additional discount she would have. So I'm going to take this $25 and I'm going to subtract from it $2.50. And we'll write our answer up here. $25 minus $2.50. I'm going to zero down, borrow. 2 from 4 is 2. Bring my 2 down. So at store one, the price for those headphones or wireless headphones are going to be $22.50. Pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. Let's take a look at the other store. The other store, they had a regular price of $52.50, but this is on sale for 60% off. So there are a couple of ways we can do it. One way has us doing this. I could take the $52, multiply it by 60%, which I'm going to write as a decimal. And then that value that I get, I would subtract it because it's a discount. Well, let's just do it both ways and see what happens. If I multiply 60 to find 60% of 52.50, I'm going to get $31.50. Now, that's how much I have to take off. So what I have to do is subtract this amount from the $52.50. And when I do that, I get 0, 5 from 5 is 0, 1 from 2 is 1. 3 from 2 is 2, so I have $21. So clearly, the second store is a better deal. But I'm going to show you another way. If you're doing this in school and you're saying, I don't want to do two kind of multiplication and a subtraction. Is there a better way? I don't know if it's a better way, but it's a shorter way. And that is this. Instead of multiplying this by 60% and then subtracting it, what's left out of 100? If I'm taking 60% off, that means I have 40% left. If I actually just take this and multiply it by 40%, that should give us the same price. And we'll just punch that in and see what we get. 52. And yep, we get the same price, $21. Store 2 is the better deal. Hope that helped Brittany out.